The Sieve of Eratosthenes is an algorithm to find all prime numbers less than or equal to any given positive integer. In this video, we want to show how the algorithm works. Firstly, we write all numbers from 1 to 100. We eliminate 1. Now we mark 2 and eliminate every even number greater than 2. Next, we mark 3 and eliminate every multiple of 3 that is not already eliminated. The next step is to go to the next number that is not eliminated. We mark it and eliminate its multiples. All remaining numbers are prime. We see that there are 25 prime numbers less than 100. Now we look at an implementation of the Sieve of Eratosthenes in Python. At first, we create a list of keys taking numbers from 1 to 100. With these keys, we declare a dictionary so that every key is assigned to the Boolean value true. Then we write a while loop. The control value I starts at 1 and ends at 10. Note that every composite number must have a prime factor less than the square root of 100. In the first loop, we eliminate 1, assigning the first key to false. In the next loops, we reassign every key that is assigned to true to false if it's greater than the chosen positive integer and all multiples of it. Finally, we print is prime of 23 and is prime of 25. The former output is true and the latter is false because 25 is the square of 5, hence no prime number. Lastly, we want to mention that the algorithm becomes less efficient as the limit gets larger. In the end of this video, we want to give some short informations about Eratosthenes. Eratosthenes was a mathematician. He was sporty and was called by his students the champion of 5 sports. His most important scientific achievement was the determination of the Earth's size. In 195 before Christ, he became blind, and there are rumors that in 194 before Christ, he committed suicide by starvation. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.